Welcome to MotorMav. Can you upgrade your Compustar Remote? The straight and simple answer would be yes. So, there are 3 ways by which you can upgrade your Compustar Remote. Those are: Method number 1, using new remote. If you use a one-way Compustar Remote, you change it with a two-way Compustar Remote. Just like with the case of a two-way Compustar Remote, you can also replace your LED remote with an LCD remote. Method number 2, by activating auxiliary features. You can also upgrade your remote by adding or enabling some auxiliaries functions. For that, you need to contact your installation company. Method number 3, by adding accessories. One of the optimum ways to upgrade your Compustar Remote is to add some accessories such as alarming kit, RPS touch. Thank you. Visit our page MotorMav to read this blog in detail. And do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.